A function is continuous from the right at a number if your limit as you approach that value a from the right of the function equals the function's value at a. Similar, a function is continuous from the left if as you approach it from the left, the limit as you approach from the left of the function equals the function's value. Let's take a look at an example here. So on this graph, we want to try to figure out where is this graph continuous from the left, right, or maybe neither. So from at 1 here, if we approach from the left, um, we are coming in here. It looks like the limit as we approach 1 from the left should equal whatever this y value would be. But the problem is it has to equal the function's value. We do not have a value at that location. And so it is not going to be able to be continuous from the left or the right because there's no function value there. And so on this one, we would say this one is continuous at neither endpoint. At 3, as we come from the left, the function value, or what the limit looks like it should be equal to, is whatever this y value would be here. The function's value is that same thing. We got a filled in dot right there. So this one is continuous from the left. Let's take a look at the right side though, just to make sure. If we go from the right, the function's value, or the limit, should equal whatever that y value is. But the function's value we've already established is down here. That's not continuous from the right then, because it's not what the limit looks like it should be equal to is not the function value. At 5, if we look at that one, both sides, the left and right, looks like it should equal whatever this y value would be. But our function values up here, which is not the same, this would also be neither. And so you can kind of see on these ones, if you're looking for continuous from left to right, that's usually only going to happen if you got one of those jump discontinuities. Holes, you're not going to have continuous from either side because the function value is going to have to end up being different there. So you can be continuous from left or right if you got one of those jump discontinuities.